Good evening, friends. Welcome to Nifty Indicators. It's easy to make money. When I say it's easy to make money, many people think that it is just a normal opening. It's true that it's a normal opening sentence, but then it's also the truth. Then a lot of people must be thinking, why is it easy to make money for some people while it is not so easy for most of the people? My belief is it is easy for the people who learn to study, analyze, backtest, trust and follow the indicators. It's a lot of hard work, of course, but then it may not be directly proportionate, but it is proportionate to the hard work. Our profit, our earning is proportionate to the hard work. And in my humble opinion, there is no alternative to hard work. A couple of days ago, mind you, I'm not trying to blow my own trumpet. The fact remains, I need to highlight the fact that a couple of days ago, I did say it is time to start buying Adani Port and Adani Enterprises. The rest is history. Also, regularly over a long period, I have been informing my friends and followers when to enter a counter. Mind you, I have no magic wand. Mind you, it is not even I am telling from my knowledge or experience or any such. I am just telling you what I am reading in the indicators. Indicators tell their own stories, and those stories, if we know how to read them, how to understand them, if we can read those signals, then we are in business. As such, yesterday and today, Nifty, Bank Nifty and many of their components are giving signals to start buying. You can see them in the indicators. You can see which of the indicators, which of the shares to buy. If we look at these, we'll come to know. For example, here Adani Enterprises, Adani Port, etc. PSR have started giving buy signal. In green means buy signal. In red means still in sell mode. The same way, 5-day average, ultimate oscillator, Bollinger Bands, etc. have started showing interest in buying. That's what we need to do. Keep looking at these, study them if need be, if necessary, go a little deeper into the charts and study them. If you need assistance to study the charts, please feel free to get back to me. I shall be only happy to assist you. These are the indicators for Nifty components. See them. I'm very sure you can see more green than red in last couple of days. That is the indication that it is time to slowly and steadily start buying. I'm sure there are at times whipsaws that we get wrong signals and they go wrong, but then that is why we use stop losses. Trade with proper stop losses. So in case if market happens to be range bound, makes a whipsaw and makes a U-turn from green signals, if we lose a small bit, whereas if they really start trending up, we are in business. So study it well, trade well, plan well and trade well. Plan your trades and trade your plans. That is how you make money. Make friends with the trend. Trend is the friend. Trends will give us money. If you need my assistance, get back to me. Take care. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe, to share and like. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.